Hey everyone, in this guide I'll show you how to update HandBrake safely on Windows or Mac. Updating can fix bugs, improve compatibility, and give you access to newer encoding features, so it's worth doing once in a while. First, open HandBrake and check which version you already have. On Windows, open the Help menu and choose About HandBrake. On Mac, click HandBrake in the top menu, then choose About HandBrake. Next, open your web browser and go to the official HandBrake website. Avoid downloading update files from random software sites, because the official site is the safest place to get the latest installer. Now choose the download for your operating system. Select Windows if you use a Windows computer, or Mac if you use a Mac. The website should show the latest stable version automatically. Before installing the update, close HandBrake completely. If it is still encoding a video, wait until that job is finished or stop it first. Closing the app helps the installer replace the old files correctly. On Windows, open the downloaded installer and follow the setup steps. You can usually keep the default options. The new version installs over the old one, so your usual settings should stay in place. On a Mac, open the downloaded file, then drag the HandBrake app into the Applications folder. If your Mac asks whether you want to replace the existing version, choose Replace. Finally, open HandBrake again and return to the About screen. Check that the version number matches the newest version listed on the official website. And yeah, once it matches, you're all updated. And that's how to update HandBrake. Just check your version, download the installer from the official site, and install it over the older copy. Keeping it updated can save you from a lot of small problems later.